In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Virtual Background without green screen. If you've ever wanted a clean, professional look without setting up extra equipment, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and stick to the essentials, while I share helpful tips so your background looks as smooth as possible. First, go to Zoom. You can open the Zoom app on your computer or mobile device, or access Zoom through your browser if that's how you usually join calls. Make sure you're signed in with your account so your preferences save for future meetings. Using the app is generally the most reliable way to find the background options, and it's where you'll have the best performance. Next, join or start a Zoom meeting. You can create a new meeting just to test your setup or hop into one you're already scheduled for. Being inside a meeting makes it easy to preview changes in real time and see exactly how your background looks with your current lighting and camera angle. Now look at the bottom toolbar. On desktop, move your mouse if the toolbar is hidden so it reappears. On mobile, gently tap the screen to reveal the controls along the bottom. You're looking for the menu that groups additional options together, which is where we'll open the settings. Click on More. This usually appears as 3 dots labeled More. If your window is small, some controls may be condensed into this menu. That's normal. The goal is to open the place where Zoom keeps extra meeting settings and preferences so we can reach the background options quickly. Click on Settings. This opens the panel where you can adjust your video preferences. If you're on a device where the layout is slightly different, look for the section that houses video-related controls. We'll keep everything inside this single settings area for a smooth setup process. Click on Background. Depending on your app version, it may be called the background or backgrounds and effects. This is where Zoom applies a virtual background without a green screen by separating you from whatever's behind you using software. Good. Even lighting and a clear contrast between you and your background will help this work better. Finally, select a background. Choose one of the default options to see how it looks. Give it a moment to stabilize. Then adjust your seating so your shoulders and head are fully in frame. If the edges around you flicker, try facing a light source and avoid wearing colors that closely match your wall. Subtle movements look best, and keeping your camera steady helps the background stay crisp. If you don't see the feature, update the app when you can, and check device support, as performance depends on your hardware. That's it. Enjoy your new virtual background.